Hi guys, Jarbu86 here. I forgot to turn my microphone on when I hit record, so yeah, I'll be voicing over it. So, I'll teach you how to make a car like I'm showing in the gameplay right now. You get in the car like that, and then you control it with WASD, but it can get a little buggy at times. Yeah, and it can fall over. Okay guys, side note, please don't ram your car into anything. It could, like, flip it over like you saw, yeah. Copy what I'm doing, but you can use any filament you want. Just metal for the car wheels, because it looks pretty.